Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE CS Set 2 2025 GA question number 3. If P e power x equals to Q e power minus x for all real value of x, which one of the following statement is true? And 4 options are given. Option A, if P equals to Q equals to 0, in place of P, let me put 0. Then e power x equals to 0 e power minus x. So 0 multiplied by anything, that's 0. Here also 0 multiplied by anything, that's 0. So both LHS and RHS are same if in place of P and Q we are putting 0. This is option A and we found option A is true. Let's check option B. If P and Q are 1. So 1 multiplied by e power x equals to 1 multiplied by e power minus x. So 1 multiplied by anything, that's same. It will be e power x equals to e power minus x. It's not true. E power x and e power minus x are not equal. Okay. Suppose x value equals to 2, e square is not equals to e power minus 2. Right. So when P and Q both are 1, P e power x is not equals to Q e power x. So option B is false. Next option C, P equals to 1, Q equals to minus 1. Just put 1 multiplied by e power x equals to minus 1 multiplied by e power minus x. So e power x equals to minus e power minus x. Both are not same. Okay. So e power 2 is not equals to minus e power minus 2. If in place of x we'll write 2. So option C is also false. Next option D, P divide Q equals to 0. Let P divide Q equals to e power minus x divide e power x. So this is 0 means e power minus x divide e power x equals to 0. This is also false. So we found P e power x equals to Q e power minus x when P equals to Q equals to 0. So answer will be option A. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.